welcome. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create the TikTok ad. Like TikTok ads is the new visibility. Remember the days when Instagram ads started? You know how it was converting faster. That is how TikTok is doing now. It is converting very fast. So before you get started on TikTok ads, you need a TikTok account. Very important, because without a TikTok account, you cannot run TikTok ads. You need a dollar card to be able to pay, because the payment is in pounds. So you need a card to be able to pay, and Nigerian bank account does not work with this. So you should understand that with less than 100 or 1000 followers, you can run your TikTok account. You just need to have the promote feature on your TikTok. So let's get started.
So this is how to run the TikTok ads. Open your TikTok account. Go to profile. This is my UK TikTok account. After going to profile, tap on this three tab at the top. This tab close to your profile name, and you'll see TikTok Studio settings and privacy QR code. Go to TikTok Studio, tap on it, and then it will bring out all those things. If you can see the promote icon, that means you can run TikTok ads and your account can run TikTok ads. This is a UK TikTok account and it has just 75 followers. That rules out the belief that you should have up to 100 or 1000 followers to be able to run TikTok ad. This has just 75 followers and it is a UK account. It is not yet available on my Nigerian account that has over 1000 followers and over 100 followers. So tap on promote, wait for it to load open. Network is a bit slow, so it's taking time. Once you see the promote icon on your TikTok Studio, that means you can run TikTok ads. So choose what you want to run, the option you want. Do you want to boost your account? Do you want more sales? Do you want to get more sales? That is, if you have a website, for people to visit your website just the way you see it on Instagram. Or do you want to get more leads, for people to send you message? People will have to send you direct message on your TikTok account, or to call you using the number you have added on your TikTok. So let's go to boost account. Select what you want. Do you want more views, more video views, or you want more followers or more profile views? Then you select the content you want to run the ad on. These are all the content I've posted. You select the content you want to run ads on and tap on promote. Then you select the option. Do you want to video views in one day? That is 20,000 plus video views in one day. This costs like £3. If you want 27,300 plus video views in one day, it costs £3.97. And if you want 68,500 plus video views in one day, it costs £9.95. You can customize depending on what you want. You can set your own budget and you can choose your own audience. You can set your budget and duration. Let's say you want to set, you can edit this to set your budget. And then for audience, you can let TikTok choose the audience for you. You can let them choose the audience according to what you have on your followers, or you can customize your audience depending on what your target audience is. So let's say I want to target just female and their age range. I think this is more easy to navigate compared to Instagram. And you select interest that you think your target audience will be interested in, and then this is it. Then choose your promotion pack, then you'll be told to pay. First, you have to agree to the TikTok um terms of service. Look at it. By taking this box, agree to the terms of service. Look at it, and then you click on pay. You need a dollar card to be able to pay this, and you can get your dollar card on some website like cheaper cash, rare, though their rate is a bit high, but you need a dollar card to be able to run ads. But if you use an iPhone, you can pay through your iCloud, and £6 converted to naira is 14,305 naira 85 kobo. So this is it. If you have a dollar card, you can pay through gift card, and you can pay through your iCloud. Or if you are using Android, you can pay through your Play Store. There's how to do it, in which you can use any card at all to pay through your Play Store. I hope this video is very helpful for you. Please just go through it. You need the promote feature to be able to run ad. Thank you very much for following through. Please don't forget to share this video, like this video, share this video, and then if you need a TikTok, a UK account, UK TikTok account, do send me a DM because I can create one for you.
Please do it to like, follow, share, and comment on this video.